Today I would like to do a review and unboxing on this particular model of IP camera, a PTZ IP camera. This 2 megapixel and it has 4 times optical zoom. Right, I received the camera. It is here, right? It is not that big. It is the size of my hand, and we have to assemble it. It has RJ45 connector for LAN or Ethernet connector. This is for 12 volt and CD, and also this is a connector when we like to connect the RJ45 to this, so that it is waterproof. Right. So we've got manual inside here. We've got CD. I must say this is maybe for the software for this camera, right? This is the manual, just one piece of paper. It is sort of a quick guide for us to install the camera. So it seems that we can open the dashboard of this camera using LAN or local network based on this IP address. Right, I will do the installation after this. We'll see about that. And we also get this guarantee card and the CD. Right, okay guys, I already installed the camera. Basically what we have to do is actually to install the software. They call it CMS software that come with the CD. Right, so I have to install it on computer. The problem with this camera is actually they set the IP address not like what I set in my house. Let's say this one was set to 192.168.1.137. It is not like what they mentioned here, where they set it at 168.1.10. So I have to figure out what IP address that they set to this camera. So in order to do that is actually I have to install this software. I figure out that I have to install this software. Once I install the software, then only I can change the IP address so that it can be detected by the apps that we are using. So this camera is using xmeye apps, which we can download it from Play Store, right? So what I did this last time is I go to this menu system, and then I go to device manager. I have to add the area. Once add the area, we can add device. Once we add device, then we can find the device. Yeah, let's see, we go. So what we have to do is to open this window is actually we have to click on this, right? Modify. Right. Once we found the camera, the IP address, we can edit the IP address that's shown here. We have to search for the IP address. Once the software found the camera, then we can change the IP address by using this tab, edit device. We have to save. Once save, we click OK. So we must know first what sort of IP address that is available in our network by looking or browsing our router, right? So once we set, then only it appear here, and we can drag and we can see the camera, right? To me, it is a bit hassle to set this camera if you don't have a computer. If you just rely on the apps, that's a bit problematic, because I can't see or I can't figure out where is actually the option to change IP address on xmeye application or apps. right? So at the end of the day, I have to install the software. Once I install the software, I can edit the IP address of the camera. Okay guys, so I just found out that this camera don't have the ability to put in or slot in the memory card like usual IP camera, but this camera support on VIV. We can connect this to our existing DVR or NVR, so that it can stream and record the video or the motion to the DVR hard disk. Otherwise, we can record it to our mobile phone if this camera trigger any motion. But I'm sure that we don't want to do that. Otherwise, our mobile phone will full with the images and videos from the IP camera or CCTV. But what we can do alternatively is actually we install this software and we let our computer record it, all the motion and also all the video from the various camera or various IP camera, right? But in my case, what I'm going to do is actually to connect this to my NVR, and the NVR will record all the motion to its hard disk, right? Thank you very much. And by the way, the quality of the camera is good based on the pixel that we have or the specification of the camera, right? This is 2 megapixel camera, and to me the quality of the camera or the image is very good, and the color is good as well. Right, I haven't tried in dark yet, but with these 3 infrared that comes with this camera, I'm sure that the image will not be that dark, right? That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and also like my video. Thank you.